Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the bending test over the ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete beam reinforced with internal steel bar and a strip and external BFRP with different orientation in the fiber direction with 8 layer as external reinforcement. First, let me check the concrete beam and let me click on the animate the contour. This is the displacement, and let me check the stress which is happen. Also the stiffness degradation of the beam, tensile damage. You can see this is the tensile damage and plastic strain. Plastic equivalent strain is something like tensile damage. Okay, this is the concrete beam, and now let's check the embedded region. The embedded region is a steel reinforcement. This is the stress and plastic strain, plastic equivalent strain, displacement, and now let me check the um, BFRP. So let me replace all, remove the concrete, and just all three BFRPs as an external reinforcement with 8 different orientation in fiber direction. So this is the stress. This is the stress for the first layer, but we can check it, for instance, for the 8th layer 8. See the hushing damage. Again, we can check it for the pile 8. This is the other hushing criteria. This is the tensile. The tensile for the layer 8 is this. Okay. Okay, this is the beam, ultra performance beam with external and internal reinforcement, and also the force displacement diagram for this. See that we obtain the maximum value for the force, and after that we have decrease in the capacity, and the diagram goes to zero value for the force after this, like something like this. Okay, so if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial, or you can search it in the search website, and then you will find this title. Then click on the title. We will have short explanation about the geometry, assembly, and then the material method, interaction as the load and mesh, and then the result as figures here. So we can provide CAIMP and English video file step by step, and the cost for that is 26 euros. You can purchase for that through a PayPal account or a Visa or MasterCard, but before that send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.